Hi.
Hi.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay. Where are you?
Huh?
Where are you?
Home.
Okay. Did you go to school?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So today, let us talk about community. Okay. All right. So it says here that we belong to different groups in a community. All right. So when we say groups, these are like something like this one. Wait. Okay, like what they call this one, charity groups, something like that. Yeah, I don't know how to say that in Thai. Okay, so what is a community, by the way? Community is where people belongs, right? The people who have something in common are called community. Who belongs to a community?
Uh,
You have no idea?
yes.
Uh-huh. But I will ask you this question. What do you think are the people or the groups that lives in one community? What do you think? Like, what are the,
People.
again?
People.
People, of course. What else?
Panda.
Okay. Animals? What else?
Monkey.
Okay, those are animals.
Giraffe.
Uh-huh. Where can you see giraffe?
Rat. Dog.
Where can you see giraffe?
Rabbit.
What do you call the
And
place?
last one is
Yes. What? Last one is? Okay. Actually, you are correct. What are the things that can be found in a community? So we have, of course, the people, the animals, places, right? Okay. So people who have something in common are called community. They might play the same sport, something like that, or live in the same place, for example. Okay. So what groups can we be a member of? So there are several groups that lives or that can be found in one community. So we have the school community. What are the school community? Actually, this community, it is the place itself where they built the school, where the people or the students learn every day, right? For every Mondays to Fridays, right? So anyone that goes to or works in a school is a part of the school community. It is a very special place. All right, so what do you think, or can you think of all the different members of the school community? What can you found in the school? What are the people can be found in a school?
Teacher.
Teachers, okay, what else?
Um. And friend.
Students, your friends, right? Administrators, something like that. Directors, okay. Janitors. Do we have janitors in a school? Right? All right, so those are,
Yeah.
yeah, those are the people that can be found in a school, or those are the people that belongs to a school community. Also, Another one is parents, because there is so-called teachers-parents communication or association, something like that. All right. So these are the people that can be found in a school community. So it can be secretary, yeah, the principal, the director, students, teachers, parents, caretakers, such as janitors, okay? Vendors can be in the cafeteria or in the canteen. All right. Okay. Let's leave this one. Let us talk about what is a community, by the way. Community. All right. This one. Also, in a community, there are also jobs, right? So what other jobs can you think of that are available in your community? In a community, we can find a teacher, of course, an engineer, an architect, the janitor, a doctor, dentist, fireman, police officers, traffic enforcers. All right, so those are the available jobs in our community. We also have vendors, right? Okay, so how can you sort these jobs? Of course, jobs are being sorted in, for example, in shop jobs, like in the mall. There are several shops in the mall, right? There are jewelry shop, computer shop, something like that. Okay. Nighttime jobs or daytime jobs or jobs that care for people. Okay, so how can you help your community? Would you be able to help your community?
Yes, I hear and I can pick the trash
Mm-hmm.
in the bin.
Okay. All right, so how can you help? Yeah, what else?
Have a trash.
Uh-huh.
I can pick the trash up.
Uh-huh.
And when I
Okay.
pick it,
Mm-hmm. What else?
I throw it in the trash bin.
All right, very good. All right, so you can help your community by litter picking. You are correct. Whenever there is a trash, you will put it in the trash bin or in the trash can. Another one is you can also help your community by recycling. Recycling tawa alay. What is a recycling, by the way?
Like
what?
เขาโชว์รูปภาพอย่างเดียวทำไมไม่โชว์รูปภาพคือต้องเขียนอะ like that time we like do like we eat water and the water is empty now and when the water empty we can say like we can save the water bottle and sometimes we see the like put water can put water in it we can put in it but I don't know what
Okay. Are you doing that same thing? Are you doing that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, me too. All right. You can also help your community by helping elderly people with their shopping. Do you do that?
Huh?
It says here that you can also help your community by helping elderly people with their shopping. Do you do that? Like helping your mom?
No, I don't have to my mom. My mom only do like a slicer.
Okay, when you go to Big C or Lotus, what do you do? Buy something you want or you need?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay.
Chocolate chip.
Okay. Whenever your mom is asking for some help, do you help your mom?
Yeah.
Yes. So, for example, what thing do you help? How do you help your mom?
Get something and put on the board.
Okay. Do you volunteer?
Huh?
Do you do it by heart? Or you are just waiting your mom to do what you do?
I do by myself.
Wow, really?
Yeah, I do by myself because the
Mhm.
time my mom go talk with their dad.
Wow.
Policeman.
All right. So in a community, there are also crimes happening, right? In Thailand, in the Philippines, or all over the world, there are lots of crimes happening in a day, every hour, every minute. All right. So we
Every
can
second.
have first one. It says here that vandalism. What do you call by vandalism? What is vandalism, by the way?
What?
It says here that first crime in the list is vandalism. What do you call by vandalism?
I don't know.
Vandalism is something like destruction of property, damaging public property, something like that.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
you get it? Do you get
Like-
that?
damage. When
Like-
we eat the cola coke finish, we throw on the floor. But the trash can is over here.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
You see?
Actually,
Bobby.
actually, vandalism is something like whenever me or whenever someone entering in a public places which owns by the government and they are distracting or damaging public what do you call this one? Public or private property. That is vandalism.
You can lean over here.
Something like writing on the walls, something like that.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I can do it. This
That-
is the wall, and I use some pen, like
Mhm.
this pen,
Mm-hmm.
and spray to the wall, and the wall is like picture.
All
Like
right.
A, B.
In a community,
C,
they call it a crime. Do not do that in a public property, okay? That is a crime, actually. That is bad. All right?
It's good. It's good because I do it every day in my house.
Oh my God. In your house is okay. But get
Hallelujah.
ready your
Why
hair.
is it so okay? Oh,
If it is in your house, maybe it's just okay. But maybe your mom
Yes.
will scold you.
No, my mom will never.
Never scold you. Uh-huh. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Another crime happened in your community is stealing.
He's stealing.
Yeah, stealing something like money, properties.
Money.
Yeah. Another one is trespassing. Trespassing is forcing yourself to enter in some place. And also, another crime is littering. You're just putting your garbage everywhere. Then you are not a responsible person in your community. Do you do that?
What?
For example, you have a trash because you are eating a biscuit and an apple juice.
Like that time I have a trash.
Mm-hmm.
Trash can because
For example, if you cannot find a trash can around you in the mall, what should you do?
to like to keep it.
Keep it first and then, yes, whenever you say or find a trash can, then you will put your trash in the trash bin, right?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. Okay. So, what rights and responsibilities do you have in a school community? What do you think? What are the rights and responsibilities do you have in the school community?
You
Like,
need to be friend with your friend.
do you have friends?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
around.
They friend together. The three
Uh-huh.
of them.
Uh-huh. They are playing, they are, what else?
And
Gossiping
when
each.
we play the football,
Uh-huh.
we need to team up.
Mm-hmm. Wow, very good. Yes. Okay. Actually, playing a game or playing some sports are good because you are building your social communication. Okay. Next one is, alright. So what are or what do you think the places in the community? If there are people, there are also places in the community, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So what do
Yeah.
you think the places that can be found?
Hospital.
Yes. Hospital. What can you do in a hospital?
Wait a minute. Hospital? I can use this word. Like
Uh-huh.
at my have hospital แถวบ้านมีแบบโรงพยาบาลไหมอ๋อแต่ดูว่าไม่ใช่มันอยู่ใกล้ Yes, it's a
Uh-huh.
hospital.
Have you been to a
another
hospital?
one. Yes, like a 100 top.
Wow. Really? Why? What happened?
The police station.
Uh-huh. Okay, so you are correct. So places, some places in the community are hospitals. What else? Butcher shop. Butcher shop is something like it is where we can buy meat, pork. Okay. What about this one? This is
my hospital. Hospital.
pharmacy.
What does that mean?
Pharmacy is being sold. Medicines are being sold in there.
Oh!
Yeah. Have you been there? Yeah. Some medicines or most medicines.
Like, here's my house. And back of my house is a village. And in the village, have this.
Okay. Do you have medicines available in your house?
นี่แต่แป๊ไม่รู้มันเรียกว่าอะไรเลยว่าแบบนี่ this นี่ this
Okay. Wait, I have a question here. What do you want to become when you grow up?
ไม่รู้เพราะว่าลินจาก็ไม่ได้จ้ะ I don't know. I don't know only I want to be ninja.
What do you want to become?
Ninja somehow.
Ninja? Why?
Yeah.
What does a ninja do?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Really?
Yeah.
What do you want to become?
Ninja. Only.
Only ninja. Oh my god.
I say only ninja.
Okay, what about in here? What do you call this shop?
Shoe shop.
Shoe shop. Okay. What about this?
School.
School. What do you do in school?
Learn a book, learn a book, and learn a book, and learn a book.
Do you always learn a book?
Eat snacks. And eat lunch.
Uh-huh. What else? Aside from eating, playing, gossiping, what else?
Learning.
No more?
And get the book home.
Get the book at home. Answering your book, writing on your book.
And a homework. Okay.
Making your homework. All right, very good.
And another one.
Uh-huh.
We need to go to school and sometimes we can listen story. Yay! And look the big television.
Wow. Do you like, what do you call this one, listening to a story?
No, but I like to look the TV.
Mm-hmm.
A lot because it's so funny.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Next place is a hospital. Hospital is very crucial. I mean, very important for significance in one community. Because when you are hurt or when you are ill, you can just go directly to the emergency hospital. Yes? When you've been to a hospital, like what do you do?
Dying or sleeping in the hospital and killing somebody in the hospital, and that time we can killing a lot of people, and when we kill we need to cut the figure, and when we need to count, and when we count get 1,000 we can go to a ninja. Okay.
Oh my god. Okay, so who do you meet at the hospital? Who do you meet at the hospital?
Teacher.
Really? Oh, wait.
No, I will heal you with my pen. Here. Nice, nice, and nice, and nice. And we did.
Okay, so we go for operations at the hospital. What about this?
Oh, now the fires come here.
What is this?
Fire.
Fire station.
Yes, but now the fire is so lot.
So what are the people?
Up here.
What are the people, or who are the people living or can be found in the fire station? There are firefighters, right?
Yes, and the fire. We open this one, and this one will be one for the door, and we can hold and push out the biggest water in the world, and the fire will go up like here. This is the water, and the water is come, and the fire is go like here. Boom. Hello, okay. Here's the fire. Here's the ball, and boom. You see it? I do a little boom. Let's go away. You can look, okay? 1, 2, 3, and boom. I didn't do anything.
Okay, what about this one? What station is this?
Station, no.
Train station.
No, it don't have anything because it's like nothing. I cannot leave.
So in your place, what can you find? Or what can you see in your place?
Oh, I can find like this. And this is me. And this is my tail. And I die.
Oh my god. What can you find in your place?
And the blood is good now. Okay? Good.
In your place. What can you find in there? In my place, I can find a school, primary school, hospital,
hospital,
gas station, shops,
Dixie, 7-Eleven, Lotus, and Macro.
What about some park?
Starting to do this.
Do you have park in your area? Park. Do you have park?
The last one is park and the garden.
Okay, what about this one?
I visit the museum like this. Yeah.
Actually, this is a university.
The museum go like a star. Yeah.
This is university. After college, we can study at university. Okay, what about this one? This is a stadium. Stadium is where you can watch sport or any activity that requires a large area. Another one is shopping center, like Robinson, something like that. Okay. We also find shopping centers in our area, like Robinson, right? Robinson, mall, shopping mall.
Shopping mall.
What are the famous shopping malls in Thailand?
The mall.
What else?
100 days ago, I go to the mall.
What is the name of the mall?
The mall Central World.
Central World. Okay. Another one. Yeah. Another place can be found in a community is a gym.
Yay! In my school we have a gym.
Wow.
I can do like this.
Do you do exercising?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes.
When it's evening.
Okay. What about this one? What do you call this?
Gas station.
Gas station.
That time my dad car like very low gas. Like 0.1 gas.
Okay. And then?
And the car is stopped and buy the gas. Now the gas is 100 in 100.
All right. So your car is full tank again.
I forget
1,000. All right. Full tank. All right. Also, there is also a police station where we report crimes. Okay. What about this? It is where we withdraw and deposit money. Okay. What about this one?
Pause. No pause in my home.
Outside there is.
I get the pause and buy it in the future and I get it to money. Now I can leave.
Okay, so this is the post office. So we can post letters at the post office. We can also ship parcels, like documents, something like that.
อยู่ที่ไหนอ่ะอยากเราส่งข้อความไปบ้านอื่นสมมติว่ามั่วบางครั้งก็ส่งไปบ้านที่ลำลูกกาคลอง6ข้างๆลำลูกกาคลอง
Okay, there is also community library wherein you can borrow books. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, have in my school and in there it have like a door. A door like you see the time is a door. And when we open the door, it's a gym.
Okay, so this is the clothing store where you can buy new clothes. All right. What about here? This one is the bakery. Of course, in our area, there are bakeries where we can buy fresh bread, cookies, some kinds of pastry, cakes, cupcakes. Okay.
I would eat cake, cake.
Wow. Okay, and of course, Big C or Lotus or supermarket where we can buy groceries. All right. Next. So there are also people who are helping us. Again.
9 minutes more. 9 minutes more and the lesson is off.
Okay. So there are also people who are helping us in our community. So some of them are police officers. How do police officers help people in a community?
เขาจับจุดเลย
What do you think? How do police officers help people in a community?
Like sometimes the dog. Wait a minute, I need my pen.
Okay.
I don't have my pen here. Sometimes the dog is sleeping here. Or the dog is here, the police will come and look the dog, but sometimes the dog is in the tree and fall down.
Okay, so the police officers might help us whenever we are losing something, we are reporting a crime, something like that, right? Another one.
Fire.
Yes, so like how does firefighters
put like a big water to heat up the fire?
Oh, wow, like very good.
Like a second can heat it.
Yes.
1 second can heat it.
Okay, very good. What about paramedics? How do paramedics help people in a community? Like in the hospital. What do they do?
Check the body, but sometimes we feel like get a knife, like big knife,
and then?
And the blood come out, and we call it, and she come and help us to the hospital.
Okay, so paramedics helps us whenever we are injured, something like that. Okay, another is doctors and nurses. So whenever we feel ill, whenever we are sick, doctors and nurses are there to help us. What about this one, teachers? How do teachers help people or students? What do you think?
Teaching.
They teach students to impart knowledge, something like that. And then these are traffic enforcer or school crossing patrol. So how do people like school crossing patrols help students? They assist students in the pedestrian lane, right?
He jumping.
She's jumping. Okay. Actually, you cannot jump and or crossing the street or crossing the road. Okay.
Why?
So because maybe you can find a car who is running fast and then get bumped and then accident.
Wait, but when we walk, it can be accident too. Die.
Oh yeah. Another one, dentist. What are dentists? How do dentists help people?
Can you stop asking dentists? Sometimes dentists, the teeth is broken like boom, and the blood is come out, and the dentist like put the onion teeth in our mouth, and we just pay around I don't know how, and the teeth is big iron in full and it's big full in a big full in a big full like that. Now you know.
Okay, so dentist helps us by taking care of our teeth. Have you been to the dentist? Have you been there? Okay, another here. Another are vets. Vets help animals who are sick.
2 times.
Okay. Again, vets are helping animals who are sick. Okay, another one, lifeguards. Lifeguards and lifeboat crew. Whenever someone is drowning in the sea or in the ocean, they are always there to help people. Okay, another, postal workers. So what does postal workers do? Postal workers are sorting letters and deliver it to the doorstep of the customer. Okay, so those are the people who are helping us in a community. All right, that's why I am asking you, what do you want to become in the future?
Ninja.
Only ninja? So how do ninja help people?
Sometimes ninja can like when it just see the thief, ninja can use the smoke and throw it to there, and the smoke is coming. Ninja run and pick the thief.
Okay, another one here. This is a game.
Really fast.
This is a game. Do you want to take it?
No.
Where am I? Just tell me where you are whenever I am describing the place.
Okay. This is wait. Can you go to this page?
Why?
That page. This is me. This is you. And this is my mom. Okay?
Why do you say so?
Because my mom is over here.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Okay, let's play a game.
Oh, yeah.
All right, so where am I? I bring a lunch with me. I play with my friends. And it is where I learn how to count.
1.
Where am I? What place is that? It is where I learn. School. Yeah, very good. What about this one? I sit in a chair. I wear an apron to protect my clothes. And I get my hair brushed. What do you call the place wherein you can cut your hair?
อะไรเนี่ยครับร้านอะไรนะที่เป็นแบบตัดผมอะภาษาอังกฤษ Hello.
Hello.
Haircut.
Haircut? Is this a haircut or hairdresser or barber shop? Okay. It is where you're gonna cut your hair. You're gonna, yeah. What about this one? I get my teeth clean. I sit on a chair. And I go here if I have a toothache. What place is that? What do you call the place wherein you're gonna see the dentist? What is that? I can hear you. So what is that?
I don't know.
You don't know? It is a dental clinic. Okay. It is where you get your teeth clean.
No.
And then I go here if you have a yeah, that is a dental surgery or dental